Hey, what are you working on?
Just setting up my VPN. With the recent restrictions, I need to make sure I can still access Facebook and WhatsApp.
VPN? I've heard about it, but I'm not exactly sure what it does. Can you explain?
Sure. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and masks your IP address. It helps you bypass the government restrictions and keeps your online activities private.
That sounds really useful. So, what are the main benefits of using a VPN in our situation?
There are several benefits. First, it allows us to access blocked sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, and TikTok. It also protects our data from being monitored by the government or hackers, especially when using public Wi-Fi on campus.
Are there any downsides to using a VPN?
Yes, there are some risks. Not all VPNs are safe. Some free VPNs can log your data and sell it, or might have weak encryption that can be compromised. Also, using a VPN might be against the law here, so we need to be cautious.
Do you have a VPN that you recommend?
Yeah, I use ExpressVPN and NordVPN. They have a strong reputation for security and reliability. I've never had any issues with them.
What about internet speed? Will using a VPN slow down my connection?
It can, but good VPNs usually minimize the speed loss. You might notice a slight decrease, but it's generally not a big deal for browsing or streaming.
This really sounds like something I should consider. I want to stay connected with my friends and keep my data safe.
It's definitely a good step towards protecting your privacy. Just make sure to choose a reliable VPN and keep it updated.
Thanks, I'm going to look into getting a VPN right away.
Good decision. If you need any help setting it up, just let me know.
Will do. Thanks for the advice.
Welcome to the world of secure and unrestricted browsing.